Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on How to Hack. So we'll be learning about web application penetration testing series with WebGoat. So WebGoat is a vulnerable web application system, that we can install into a Linux box and onto a Windows computer as well, because it allows us to do different kind of penetration testing via open web application security project. Okay, so over here I have WebGoat running and I have on GitHub. So we'll go through the installation instructions. So over here, I'll paste the link as well onto the comment section. And we have, of course, a deliberately insecure web application that we can learn from. And I'll be starting a series on this to learn more about WebGoat. So over here, we can run it. Of course, in terms of the installation instructions, we can run it with Docker. We can also run it with standalone, in which we'll be doing so in a moment. And we can also run from the sources itself. Okay, so all these are the installation instructions. And for our site, we will be doing so on the WebGoat and WebWolf release. So you can go ahead and right click on this and open link in a new tab. So once you're in the tab over here, as you can see all the different information, you can just go ahead and download it. So go ahead and click on say WebGoat-server-8.1.0.jar. Click on it. All right, and you can save the file. So go ahead and save the file to any directories that you want. In our case, we'll be automatically saving it into the download segment. All right, into the download folder. So once we download it into the download folder, you can go ahead and open up the download folder. All right, so once we're in the download folder, all right, I've already downloaded it before. So it's 83.9 megabyte. So we have the file running. Okay, so all you got to do is open up a terminal. Okay, I'll also paste this instruction over here. All right, let me zoom in a little more so it's easier for you to see. All right, all you got to do is to enter the following instructions over here. Java, all right, -jar, WebGoat-server, -8.1.0.jar, space --server.port equal 8080, followed by space --server.address equal localhost. So once you do so, you will have it running. Okay, so you have the Spring Boot as you can see from here, and we have, all right, the WebGoat server running. So all you got to do is go back to your web browser, okay, and you can go under this following URL. Okay, so we can actually enter the following 127.0.0.1 followed by port 8080 /WebGoat, all right, followed by /start MVC lesson, all right, WebGoat introduction.lesson. Okay, so if you click under here on this section, okay, it's a deliberately insecure application, and we'll be going through on the left side. As you can see, we have the introduction, we have general, we have injection, broken authentication, sensitive data exposure, XML external entities, broken access control, cross-site scripting, insecure deserialization, vulnerable components, requests, forgeries, client-side, and different challenges. So we'll be going through all of the lessons here as part of our web application penetration testing. All right, so once again, I hope you have learned something valuable in today's tutorial while we kickstart on the web application penetration testing. All right, so if you like what you've just watched, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can be kept abreast of the latest cybersecurity tutorial. Thank you so much once again for watching.